Hey guys, you're watching me on my channel Witty Gesture. Before going to the today's topic, if you're watching my channel for the very first time, please click on the below description in order to know about the employment marathon activity that I am conducting. And also, if you're very scared about maths and if you're not sure about basic simplifications, please do watch the link in the below description in order to make yourself much stable in solving any kind of aptitude problems that involves basic fractions, simplifications, and other kind of regular activities that requires for solving any aptitude problems. With no further delay, let's go into the topic. In today's session, we're going to see some 14 problems regarding percentage, and do trust me, these are all the collections from the past 5 years top MNC questions, and also with the help of these 14 sums you can crack any kind of percentage. Now let's go into the first question, and the question is x percentage of y is 50 and y percentage of 18 is 27. What is x? So firstly we get x percentage of y is equal to 15 and y percentage of 18 is 27. We want to find what is y. So y percentage of 18 we have and x percentage of y. So firstly, anything that comes under the term percentage should be divided by 100. So anything divided by 100 we call it as a percentage. So x divided by 100, x percentage of y, that is into y, will give you 50. Got it? So from this note I can find y is equal to 550 into 100, that is 2 zeros, divided by x. This gives you the value of y. Similarly, y percentage of 18 is 27. So y percentage is y divided by 100 into 18 will give you 27. So something the percentage of this 18 gives you an answer of 27. So I can mention it in a way, y is equal to 27 into 100 divided by 18. So I get two results of y. Now I am going to compare these two results of y. When LHS are equal, RHS are also equal. On that strategy I am going to do this. So 5000 divided by x is equal to 2700 divided by 18. So I need to find x. So x goes that side. Before that, let me cancel these two zeros. So 50 into 18 divided by 27 will give you x. So in 3 table, 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 100 divided by 3 will be my x. So x will be equal to 100 divided by 3, and if you find the options in decimal, you will get a decimal answer. So let's go to the next sum. Second question, if 10% of x is equal to 12% of y, how I can write this? 10 divided by 100 into x is equal to 12 divided by 100 into y. 100 gets cancelled. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. So 5x is equal to 6y. So x is equal to 6 divided by 5 into y. So this is the value of y. X is nothing but 6 by 5 part of y. If you want this to be expressed in terms of percentage, yes, you can do it. When you convert a fraction into a percentage, you have to multiply it by 100. Multiplying by 100 will convert a fraction into a percentage. So 5 divided by 20, I get it is 120 percentage. Similarly, dividing a percentage by 100 gives you a fraction. So aspirants, always be clear, when you multiply 100 with a fraction, you get a percentage. When you divide a percentage by 100, you get a fraction. So x is equal to, I can simply write here, x is nothing but 120 percentage of y, as per the first data. The second data is, if 10% of x is equal to 12% of y, then 15 percentage of y is equal to what percentage of y? 15 percentage of x is equal to what percentage of y? So I know what is x. I am just raising the rest. So 15% of x in the sense I will be writing as 15 divided by 100 into x. X is nothing but 16 by 5 divided by into y. Let me make it as y like here. So 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6, 50s are 100. So I can write it as 9 divided by 50 into y. On simply putting, we can say 9 by 50 part of x is y's result, or converting it to a percentage, 9 by 50 into 100, 52s are 100, I get 18. So 15% of x is equal to 18% of y. That is the answer. Next question that we're going to see is about regarding sales price. So regarding sales, we have percentage in various domains. Percentage plays a vital role in major sales activities. One among that is, if price of a mobile is increased by 25%, by what percent it need to be decreased to make it to the same price? For example, if I have 100 rupee is the price of my ball. I bought a ball for 100 rupees. Now 25% is increased. So 125 will be its price. Now how much percentage it should be decreased to make it to the same cost of 100? People will again what do? It is increased by 25%. So people blindly they minus 25%. That's not the scenario. Why? See here. 100, 25%. 25% of 100. It's 25. So 100 plus 25, the price is increased to 125. From this 125, you have to make that to be back to 100. Now again, if you minus 125%, like now 125 rupees, same if you minus this 25%. What is the 25% of 125? 5 5s are, and here 5 2s are 10, and 25 times, and here again 5 1s are, 5 5s are, again 20. So I get 1 by 20, convert it to multiply by 100 to make it as a percentage. It's nothing but 5. It's just 5%. It's not 25%. So when you minus 25% directly from 125, that is not the real scenario. So initial rupees is 100. After increasing 25%, I get 125. If you minus 25% from this 125, it will never bring to 100, because 125's 25% is not going to make it as 100. Okay. Now see how to tackle this sum. So if a price of a mobile is increased by 20%, let's say the price of a mobile be 100. Okay. Now the price of a mobile is increased by 25%. Then how, by what percentage it need to be decreased to make it to the actual price? Whenever you face some such sums where after increasing or decreasing you should bring it to the actual price, I have a simple formula for you, that is 1 divided by x plus 1, where x denotes the denominator of the fractional part. How much percentage it is increased? It is increased by 25%, right? Do we have any other data? No. Now how much percentage we have to decrease? So if they ask for a decrease percentage, 1 divided by x plus 1. If they ask for an increase, x minus 1 should be there. So 25%, convert it into a fractional form. I get 1 divided by 20. Okay? Pause பண்ணு. Continue பண்றோம். இல்ல actually நான் divide by 20 போட்டா தப்பு. So இது வரைக்கும் எடுத்துக்கோ. where denominator is இது வரைக்கும் எழுதுறது எடுத்துக்கோ. ஓகேவா? So we need to calculate the fractional part of 25%. So 25% is nothing but 25 by 100. 25 ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. So the denominator is 4. Therefore 1 divided by 4 plus 1 is 5. So 1 by 5 part. Then what is the percentage of this? It is nothing by 20. So 20% it should be decreased. If the amount is increased by 25%, in order to bring back to its original amount, 20% should be decreased. So always keep it in a mind. The increase percent if it is increasing by some percentage, same percent decrease will not bring it to the actual price. So always remember this formula. If you want to decrease, if you want to increase, then the formula goes in a way 1 of x minus 1, where x is the fractional part, the denominator part in that fraction. Let's go to the fourth question. So the next type that you're going to see is about salary calculation. So sometime there will be an increase in salary and we need to calculate the percentage of increase. Let's see the question. Delson makes $60 a week from his job. He earns a rise and now he makes $70 a week. What is the percentage of increase? So before finding the percentage of increase, you have to know how much amount is what is the difference between the amount between before increment and after increment. So initially he was getting 60, after he was getting 70. So $70 minus $60 will give you $10. That is the increase in amount. How will be finding the increase percentage? It is nothing but increase in price or decrease in price divided by the initial value multiplied with 100 will give you the percentage. So increase in price is $10. So 10 initial value is 60 multiplied with 100. So 0 gets cancelled. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 50 divided by 3. So 50 divided by 3, let's see, it's 3, it's 50. So I can solve it in a way like 3 1s are 3, 20, and 3 6s are 18, 2.0, and again 6. So it goes in a way of 16.66%. So his salary has been increased by 16.66%. Let's go to the next question. So let's go to the next category of sum. Again, it's again a kind of a salary calculation where we don't know the exact salary. If we don't know the exact salary, but we know some percentage of the salary. 40% of Nike's income is 1,200. Find the 70% of the income and 1/4 part of income. Read the question carefully. It is 40% of the Nike income is alone given, but we have to calculate the 75%. So 40% of something is making 1,200. What is that something? So 40 divided by 100, because 40% of Nike income is 1,200, right? 40 divided by 100 into this x will give you 1,200. So how will we finding the total amount? It's just simple, guys. Now we are secured 80% in your board examination. Okay. So 80 divided by 100, but we don't know what is the total marks or what is the total mark you appeared for. But you have secured your score of like 1,000. Your score has given, your percentage has given, but you don't know for how many marks you are appeared for the examination. Same way, 40%, it's making 1,200. But what is the exact value that is making 40%? So 40 divided by 100 into x gives you 1,200. So typically x is equal to 1,200 multiplied with 100 divided by 40. So 0 gets cancelled, and here 4 3s are 12. So x is equal to 3,000. It's 3,000 rupees. This 0 I have cancelled with the 0. 4 3s are 12. 000. So 3,000 is the original salary. From this original salary, I have to calculate 75%. So 75 divided by 100 into 3,000. That is 3 into 100. So 100 gets cancelled. So I can write it as 5 1. Sorry, another one more 0 will be added out. So 0 gets cancelled. So 5 1 21 22 0. So 75% is 2,250. And the next question is 1/4 part of the income. So 1/4 part of the income is x, right? It is 3,000. Okay, guys. In the next scenario, what you're going to see is about increase or decrease, or about the consumption. Now I'm comparing two topics because they're going to these two topics going to follow the same scenario. Consumption or increase or decrease. First one, you have a monthly budget of 5,000. Suddenly, the price of a regular rice brand that you are using increases. So what you want to, either you have two choices. Either you should contribute extra budget, or you should tally your budget within 5,000. So if the price is increasing, and if you don't going to change your expense is going to remain the same, then what you do, you will reduce your consumption. If last month you consumed 10 kilogram for 1,000 rupees and now it is going more than 1,000, like 1,500, you will be reducing it like 8 kg or 7 kg, because you don't want to change your budget. You want to maintain your budget remains common. You want to maintain your budget same. In that scenario, when the expense is going to remain the same, price is increasing When price increases, the consumption goes down. Or think about another scenario. One person's salary is comparatively less than the other person's salary. In these two scenarios, you have to follow this formula to calculate the increase in percentage, or like how much percentage is salary is lesser than other, or how much percentage they ask to reduce the consumption. For that, R divided by 100 plus R into 100. Into 100 always gives you the percentage. R is nothing but the rate of increase. Okay. Or the rate of one salary is higher than the other. Similarly, in second scenario, expense is going to again remain the same. Price is going to decrease. You have a monthly budget of 5,000. Suddenly the price of the particular brand of rice decreases. What do? You consume more rice for the next month. It may increase or decrease. This month it is decreased, so you will consume it. So price decrease, your consumption goes high. In that scenario, what you will do? R divided by 100 minus of R into 100. And similarly, if one person's salary is lesser than the other, then how much percentage another person's salary is higher? While solving the question, you will know the difference. So just go with these two formulas, R 100 plus R, R 100 minus R. Starting with the sixth question, based on the explanation that I have given. If Peter's salary is 25% more than Delson, so Peter is earning 25% more than Delson. It obviously shows Peter consumes more income. How much percentage Delson's salary is less than of Peter? How much percentage Delson's salary is less than Peter? So less than means R divided by 100 plus R multiplied with 100. So I get R as 25. 100 plus R is 125 into 100. So I can simplify this. 5 20s are, 5 2s are 10, 25 is 25 times, 25 cancel. So Delson's salary is 20% less than Peter. And diving into the same kind of question, if Peter's salary is 20% lesser than Delson, now Peter's salary is 20% less than Delson, then how much percentage Delson consumes more? How you will be calculating? R 100 minus of R, because Delson is earning more. Vice versa, less means plus, more means minus. So R is 20, 100 minus 20 is 80 into 100, right? 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 4 5s are 20. So it is 25%. Delson consumes 25% of salary higher than Peter.